An Introduction to Interfolio for Professional Leave. In this video, I will demonstrate how to apply for professional leave via Interfolio. To request a professional leave application, go to the Faculty Relations website at www.edu/faculty relations. Then navigate to the professional leave page by hovering over Leaves and clicking on Professional Leave. The Faculty Relations Professional Leave page contains information on the professional leave process and eligibility rules. In the middle of the page is a form for requesting a professional leave application. Complete the form with your employee ID, first name, last name, email address, and the quarter in which you plan to submit your application. Then click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email that your request has been submitted. Professional leave application packets will be initiated by the Provost Office on June 16th for all faculty who request a packet prior to the start of summer quarter. For those who request a packet after June 16th, packets will be initiated within a few days of the request. Once your packet has been initiated, you will receive an email with a link to Interfolio. You can also get to Interfolio through MyWestern or the Faculty Relations website. Once you're on the login page, make sure to enter your proper credentials using your @wwu.edu email and your universal password. When you first log into Interfolio, you'll have the option to choose to go to the WWU page or your dossier. The WWU page contains your application packet. The dossier page contains materials that you submitted previously to support past faculty reviews or professional leave applications. Click on the yellow Western Washington University button to go directly to your new blank professional leave application. If this is your first time logging into Interfolio, you may be asked if you'd like to designate the page you're on as a default landing page. If you happen to see this type of prompt, just select No. By clicking on the Western Washington University link, you will be taken to your home page. Your professional leave application should be listed both under your action items in the middle of the screen and under your packets on the left-hand side of the screen. Let's click the one listed in the middle of the screen to get started. Next, you'll be taken to an overview screen with the listing of required materials for your application. Click View Instructions to read advice on assembling and submitting your application. Your application contains a list of required materials. When you are ready to start adding content, click Packet. From here, you can add files and links to external web content. When you click Add, you will have the options to choose Existing or add a new file. The option to choose Existing allows you to pull a past file or link from your dossier where materials are stored from your previous reviews and other Interfolio packets. From here, you have the ability to search by name and filter by collection to find the right item or items. If the content you would like to add doesn't already exist in your dossier, then instead choose to Add New File. This option allows you to upload a file directly from your local computer or add a link to a web page. Here it is important to note that any new file or link submitted as part of the application packet will be automatically copied over to your dossier. As time goes by, your dossier will come to contain a full record of all the documents you submitted through your time at Western. This also makes reusing documents easier, as you will have full access to everything submitted previously when you undergo a future review or apply in the future for another quarter of professional leave. In addition to uploading supporting documents to your application, there is also a list of questions that you will need to answer. To complete the form, click on Fill Out Form. The first part of the form asks you to summarize your professional leave goals in one sentence, beginning with the word to. Here's a good example. To conduct research on the social habits of three-toed sloths and complete a manuscript for publication. Then add your employee ID, first name, and last name. Choose your rank, how many quarters of leave you are requesting, the quarters in which you plan to take your leave if it is granted, and the purpose of your professional leave. Then click Return to Packet. After you have completed the requirements and you're ready to submit your packet, select the checkbox in the blue header at the top of your screen and click Submit Sections. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to submit your packet and acknowledge that you're giving up edit permissions for the time being. To submit your packet for review, click Yes. If you forgot something that was required, you will receive an error message indicating the problem. It will say something like, you can submit this section once you have corrected any issues and added materials to meet the requirements for this section. In that case, you should fix the issue and resubmit. The rest of the review process is based on department-specific workflow. In other words, there's no need for you to identify the individuals or the groups that need to review your materials, since the system will identify and route your application to them automatically. Professional leave applicants will be notified of the final decision regarding their application by January 31st. In conclusion, if you're planning to apply for professional leave in the current or upcoming year, but no application has been initiated for you yet, please complete the request form on the Faculty Relations Professional Leave webpage. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your professional leave application.